Welcome in this video. Welcome to you. Today's video is kind of I don't know what would be title, what would be thumbnail, I don't know, and what would be I will say to you. Nothing. Just I will share with you those coming on my heart and all of thing I will share with you. So today's day has been started mine something like that I woke up and I have missed something valuable thing. So I won't share that, but I missed that my morning was something incomplete today, and something important thing is has missed at that time. Morning time today's right now night mode. I'm recording my video. At the time thereafter, when I woke up and I'm going to the that road, and I'm walking some like 1 to 2 minute walking and going back on my home, and I usually done my exercise and going to river for shower, and thereafter wearing dry cloth dry cloth and going to market for selling something. And at 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. entire day was spending with selling, and in other day I'm here recording my video and talking with you right now. So this is my day. So a lot of experience I gain each day because of I have a routine. I have created a video about routine, how you can how you can do something properly. I have made a video about that. You need to create your one routine, and you can imitate your routine. You do something each day according to your routine. I do same that I am sharing with you right now. So I'm not right now productive at all, I would say, but I'm trying to do something. I'm trying to be something like productive. So I just share with you that I'm not right now. I have a lot of subscriber right now. I haven't, but no problem. Each day I said before a long time ago, like 15-16 days ago, once video I have published already. At that video I said that I will publish video each day, every day. If rain come, if uh, a cyclone come, no worry, I just create video and publish that. Video is being not quality, not good, no, doesn't care. I don't care that. I care published video is still one video. It would be low quality video, no problem, because quantity is qualities come from quantity. So I will improve gradually. I know, if you I believe me that in future I will be something. So this is my day. I usually right now I have finished 3 books right now. I wouldn't say that my day, I'm wanting to be productive, but it's not it isn't so much from it hasn't been so much ago. So I just started, and in this year 2023, my productive way, how to live in productive day, live in productive, that I started in this year 2023. And even my English journey started in this year 2023. So 1 year, just 1 year a lot of changed. I'm trying to stay and I'm trying to improve that gradually. So consistency is key. I have experience about that. I have experienced a lot of, I have gained this experience within 1 year, and this is a consistency. If you keeping consistency, you can get all of thing. If you want to be uh, English speaker, if you want to be Arabic speaker, no problem. Whatever you want to be, if you just learning consistency, and if you want to be whatever man, whatever, if you're knowledge man, if you seeking knowledge, you need to read book consistently, not today's one page and after 1 month one page. No, it's not effective, and it's not productive. So one thing I recommend you today: consistency. Do good thing that you hold, and doing consistently, continually. Okay, that's it. See you later. Until that, happy hunting.